What would you buy on a pullback, and what would you buy regardless if we see a pullback or not?
Yeah, I don't think this sort of weak September or the normal sort of 5 to 10% pullbacks should change your long-term investment views and positioning. But if you are under allocated to equities right now because you've been nervous about all sorts of things this year, it will give you that opportunity to have an entry point. We certainly think the three things you want to think about are the winners in artificial intelligence clearly are starting to emerge. And it's not just NVIDIA anymore. Companies like Broadcom are certainly showing that they can do well. But I think the biggest name that is giving you the best entry point right now is Apple. And I'll tell you why. Three quick reasons. This Alphabet suit that just got thrown out of court means that Alphabet can continue to pay Apple to be their default browser on 2 billion Apple devices. That also means that Apple doesn't need to spend a lot of money developing their own large language models, and they can partner with somebody like Alphabet to enhance what they're doing with Siri. And then there's going to be a massive rollout at the end of the week of new Apple products. So probably the best thing that I could tell you is if you've missed a lot of some of these great moves that are AI adjacent, any kind of pullback in the month of September might be a great time to get involved.
Okay, so you said three names. I heard Apple, which of course is down, still 5% year to date. What are the other two names?
Yeah, NVIDIA is down 20% from its recent high. I certainly think that represents an opportunity. Every time NVIDIA pulls back, people start to get concerned about either competition to NVIDIA or CapEx spend is going to slow. Neither one of those things has shown themselves, and NVIDIA likely gets a license for the H20 to sell into China, which right off the top would be another $5 billion for those folks. The third name I'm going to throw in here is going to come out of the blue a little bit, but TJX, which is TJ Maxx and Marshalls, is the biggest beneficiary right now of this consumer uncertainty. Folks love the treasure hunt that is TJX. TJX isn't over-indexed to imported goods, and they continue to outshine the rest of the discounters.